This is Hidden Car Tech. We unlock the real power inside your Audi. More performance, more response, engine power with no limits. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech and drive smarter.
Have you ever wondered why some Audi owners seem to get better performance and better fuel economy at the same time? Most drivers believe they must choose between power and efficiency. They assume that if they want stronger acceleration, they must accept higher fuel consumption. But what if that isn't true? What if your Audi already has everything it needs to deliver better performance while using significantly less fuel? Today you'll discover the simple adjustments and driving habits that can dramatically improve the way your Audi responds while reducing unnecessary fuel consumption. And one of the most effective tricks is hidden inside a setting many owners never touch. Before we begin, if you enjoy discovering hidden Audi features, maintenance tips, performance settings, and real-world driving advice, subscribe to the channel. It costs you nothing and helps us create more videos that reveal what most Audi owners never learn. The first step is Drive Select configuration. Many Audi owners leave the vehicle in auto mode permanently. Auto mode is designed to satisfy every type of driver, but compromise rarely delivers the best results. Instead, switch to individual mode. Set the engine and transmission to dynamic while keeping steering and suspension in comfort if available. This allows the engine and gearbox to respond more quickly without sacrificing everyday comfort. The second trick is disabling unnecessary weight and drag. Remove items that permanently live in the trunk. Many vehicles carry 20 to 30 kilograms of unnecessary cargo every day. Extra weight requires extra fuel every time the car accelerates. The third adjustment is tire pressure. Even slightly underinflated tires increase rolling resistance and fuel consumption. Check tire pressure monthly and follow Audi's recommended values. Many owners gain efficiency immediately without changing their driving style. Another overlooked area is anticipation. Aggressive braking wastes energy that was already paid for with fuel. Looking farther ahead allows smoother acceleration and reduces unnecessary throttle inputs. Modern Audi engines are extremely efficient when torque is used intelligently. The biggest hidden secret is avoiding unnecessary cold operation. Short trips are one of the largest enemies of efficiency. Whenever possible, combine several errands into one longer drive. A fully warmed engine consumes less fuel and operates more efficiently. Finally, monitor your fuel economy through the Audi MMI. Most drivers never look at consumption data. The MMI can reveal habits that increase fuel use without improving performance. And here's the most important discovery. The drivers who achieve the best balance between performance and economy are usually not the ones modifying the engine. They are the ones configuring the car correctly and driving consistently. In many cases, the difference between an average Audi and a highly efficient Audi is not horsepower. It's understanding how the car was designed to work. Apply these adjustments, and you may be surprised how much performance your Audi already has available while using significantly less fuel.
Now you know what others don't. Drive smarter. Spend less. Unlock more. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. Stay ahead.